Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to disable autoplay for live photo and videos in iPhone and iPad. If you want to disable autoplay for photo and video, then keep watching this video. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. First of all, we have to launch settings. Scroll, find and tap on photos. And under photos, scroll and turn off autoplay and video live photo under mobile data. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.